Alrighty guys, it is Sunday, currently 5:45 in the morning. I've never dashed this early before. I went to pick up my friend from the airport, dropped him off at his house, and he said it was busy, and I was like, you know what, I'm already awake, why not? So I just picked up our first order here from McDonald's, showing $6, 2.7 miles, so the food was ready. So my goal for today is technically $158. That's how much I need to do $1,000 this week. But you know, like always, if it's busy, we're gonna keep going. Again, I'm not sure how busy breakfast or how busy it is right now, so I'm probably just gonna summarize it so the video is not crazy long when it's all said and done. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, last time we checked in was about 5:45 in the morning. It's currently 10:59, basically 11 a.m. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little like montage of my dash cam with all the orders that we took in the morning, so we can catch up with you guys, so you guys know where we're sitting at, and then we'll see you guys in a few. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the little 45-second montage I had, or whatever, however long it was. But basically, after doing the 5:45 order, we went to park by the Einstein Bagels, and I had a shift from 5:45 till 7. After doing that order, I kept getting like 250, 225 crappy orders. I literally just basically took a nap. I'm not even kidding. Basically took a nap. Woke up. Didn't miss any orders that were, at least to my knowledge, I didn't miss anything. It was just slow. And after that, the next one started at 7:30 to 9. Same thing, started off relatively slow. I don't think we took our first order till like about 8:15, 8:20. I think after that, it was just order after order. The app was messing up a lot though. I missed a bunch of orders that I had screenshots for, but whenever I would try to accept it, it wouldn't let me. So that was kind of a bummer. But hey, you know, even with all those app issues and how slow it was, we're still sitting basically at $60, which is huge. It's a huge head start for us. So yeah, so now it's 11. We're basically putting into the town center. I'm gonna go ahead and park and wait for our next order. We'll see you guys then. It looks like coming out early was definitely the correct move, because it's currently 11:28. So basically like 20 minutes until we finally got this order here. Well, 25 minutes really. From Santini, showing 625, 2.5 miles. The rest of the orders have been absolutely garbage, and most of them have been stacks. So I'm assuming, you know, they're trying to stack a good one with a bad one. But even if I were to unassign the bad one, it doesn't make sense because the miles are too much. So we're gonna get this picked up. We'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, get order dropped off here, and now we're currently sitting at 66.41. Pretty slow again, declining a bunch of garbage. Hopefully it picks up. We'll see you guys in our next order. Let's get the next order picked up here from Chipotle, 625. I think it was like 2.5 miles maybe. Most of those miles were from me to the Chipotle anyways. Man, it's so windy outside and it's so cold. I think with the wind, it probably feels like in the mid-20s, which is cold. But yeah, so let me drop this off. I think after this will be maybe around $71, $72. Again, the goal, I think, I said it earlier, but it's like $158. That's all we need to do $1,000 this week and call it a day, because I'm tired. Let's go. Guys, so we got the Chipotle order dropped off, no issues there. And then when we were coming back to the town center, we got this hopper here from Potbelly. I believe it was showing 650. I think it's like 3 miles or less maybe. The food was ready, so we just picked it up and we're gonna drop it off relatively soon. I'm taking anything and everything that makes sense, because at some point it is gonna slow down, and I'm trying to like maximize my money right now because I want to go home early, catch some of the football games. Let's go. Order dropped off here from Potbelly. Then I got this offer right away from Silver Diner. I took it. It showed 1025, 2 items, 5.8 miles. I took it purely because of the cash flow, 1025. So that basically seduced me into accepting the order. But hopefully the food will be ready. Silver Diner in my area, they're great. I have a great relationship with all the people that work there. You know, always crack jokes and whatnot. But yeah, so hopefully the food's ready. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. As the food was ready, so now we're about 10 minutes away. It is just 2 chicken tender platters. I'm really not expecting anything on top of this 1025. But the fact that I can get this done in about 15 minutes, you know, from the beginning to end. It'll take that all day long. And, you know, hopefully we keep getting orders like that so we can finish our dash sooner. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's go. Guys, that order actually became $10.75, which is awesome. Then I got this order here from Cafesano, and I think it was showing $6.25, super low miles, 5 items, and Cafesano is not cheap. So there is a possibility of a, you know, hidden tip, if you will. And I also wanted to give a quick shout out to Gig Lebowski. I just started watching his channel, man. Super cool dude. Seems like a real down-to-earth person. Someone you can just go grab a beer with. Although I think he says he doesn't drink, which is totally fine, by the way. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen his channel, check him out. I'll probably put his link in the description below. But anyways, we're pulling up here to the Cafesano. We'll see you guys in a bit. So that last order became $7.25. Then as we were going back to the town center, we got this offer from Bonchon. I believe it was showing $6.25, like less than 3 miles. Honestly, I really only took it because Bonchon has a bathroom and I got to pee so bad. And the order, you know, the order is great too. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a bit. So as we picked up the order from Bonchon, they stacked it with an order from Five Guys. I think it was like $6 an additional mile or two maybe. The problem was, of course, the Five Guys, the food wasn't ready, so it sucks for the original customer. But yeah, we got both orders picked up, and of course my app, it's currently frozen, so what else is new? Luckily, I kind of know the direction that I'm going, at least you know the general direction. So the app needs to come back to life here because I need to know where I'm going. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Orders dropped off. If I'm not mistaken, we're currently sitting at $113, give or take. Then we got this order here from Tropical Smoothie Cafe showing $6.25, less than 3 miles. We took it. Hopefully it's ready, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, so we got the order from Tropical Smoothie Cafe dropped off. Then we got this order here from Potbelly. It's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I think we're having our best day of the week so far. I think obviously starting early is key. I'm not saying 5:45 early, but I'm saying maybe like 8, 8:30, maybe 9. So I'm gonna shoot for those next week, especially because between 2 and 5 during the weekdays has been super slow. So yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next one. After doing that dropper from Potbelly, we made it back to the town center. Spent about 20 minutes declining a bunch of garbage. Then we got this order here from Mayuri. It's like an Indian place. Honestly, I took it because it said $9.50. So I thought, hey, that's a pretty high cash flow. The only part that really sucked about it was that I didn't realize they were BSing me when I got there about, well, yeah, it's almost ready. We need one more item. That was such a lie. It was supposed to be ready at 2:31. It's 2:55, and I just got the order. So, yeah. Anyways, we're making our way towards the drop-off. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys. It's been a while since we last checked in. Obviously not for you guys, but for me, it's been about an hour and a half, really. So after doing the drop-off from the Mayuri place, it ended up being $10 actually. We were coming back to the town center. We got this order here from the Bento House. Then after dropping that off, we went like 20 to 25 minutes without taking any orders until this one from Santini's came along, which we just dropped off. And now we're back on our way to the town center. But I stopped here at the Exxon real quick. We need to get some gas. But yeah, it's currently 4:15 in the afternoon, and we're sitting around $150 if I'm not mistaken. So probably it's gonna be our best day. I think we can do at least 200 for sure. So yeah, so catch you guys the next delivery. I just picked up the next order here from Santini's. It was showing us $6.25, 2.5 miles. Perfect order, because honestly, we haven't done one in a while, so we were just chilling, not doing anything, and that order came in, and it was ready too, which makes it even better. So I think after this will be around 156, 157. I'm not even sure, to be honest, but we're definitely having a better day than yesterday, that's for sure. Dropped off here, and now we're heading back to the town center. It is so slow, getting nothing but garbage left and right. So again, I guess all the non-tippers come out during the slow times. It is what it is. Currently 4:52 in the afternoon. We'll see you guys in a bit. So a solid 10 minutes without not getting any good orders. I kept getting stack offers, and I'm telling you, like the lowest stacks I've ever seen. $7.55 stack offer, $8.55, $9.55, like super, like, you know, single digits type stacks. What? No, we're not doing that. And then we finally got this order here from Mon Ami, going $6.25, less than a mile. Hopefully the food's ready. We're gonna go get that picked up. Let's go. So we got the order dropped off here from Mon Ami. It was just $6.25. I believe we're sitting around $164, give or take. And then we got this offer here from Chipotle showing $6.25. It's basically going like 2 miles maybe at the most. The map they gave me is kind of weird. It's literally across the street from where the Chipotle is at. So Hopefully the food's ready. We'll see you guys back on the road. Hey guys, quick little update here. So we took the order from Chipotle. It was going to a homeless shelter that I had no idea existed. That was like right next to the town center, really. And then after that, we got this offer here from Silver Diner. We just picked up the food, showing $7.50, like 3.5 miles. Let's go. So we got the food dropped off here from Silver Diner. Then as we're coming back to the town center, we got an order from Chen's Kitchen. Chen's Kitchen is slowly becoming one of my new favorite spots because the food's usually almost always ready. You know, and if I do have to wait, the wait's very minimal. There is $1 peak pay going on in my area, which I realized after I took the Chen's Kitchen order. But in the end, I think it ended up being like $7.75, so I think it was fine. Making our way back towards the town center here, 6 o'clock. We're only gonna dash till 7 or 7:30. I'm pretty tired, and we've already hit our goal. So right now, everything we're doing is just a plus. So hopefully, if I get an order like going towards my house, like a stack offer, I'll probably just take it and call it a day. But as of right now, we're still going strong. We'll catch you guys on the next delivery. Guys, I could not forget, it's 6 o'clock. You know what that means? App issues. Every single day at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is where I'm at, the app always glitches. It's 6:05 right now. So, yeah, I was getting an order, but now I can't even see it. So, yeah. It's every single day at 6 o'clock, it always happens. I don't know why. Maybe it's just coincidence. I doubt it, though. I doubt it. But, yeah, so anyways, we're still declining orders here. We'll see how long it takes to get another one. As we finally have our next order here from Honey Growl, showing $8.50, less than 3 miles, and that includes the $1 peak pay, so it'll be $7.50. So I think that's definitely acceptable. Maybe a chance at a hidden tip. Who knows? I think after this, we're gonna be just shy of $200, and I'm hoping to do at least $225, and then go ahead and call it a day. But if we do more, we do less. Completely okay. We'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, just dropped off the order from Honey Growl, and that actually became a $10 order. So we're probably sitting around $199, maybe just shy of 200. And again, we still have a $1 peak pay, so we're not taking anything in the sixes. Basically, the lowest amount we'll take is a $7 order, because a 7 is really a 6. You know, you guys get it. Anyways, making our way towards the town center. Currently 6:30, and look at that. The app, it just signed me out. It just signed me out out of nowhere. Why is the app so bad in the afternoon? It doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm telling you, like, I don't know how these DoorDash engineers or whoever makes these apps, how they can just be so bad at their jobs and like nothing happens. Like, the app gets worse as they update it instead of getting better, you know? So, I mean, I was able to get back on, but mellow mushroom, but it's going the opposite direction. We're gonna have to decline it. Plus, mellow mushroom for dinner, it's a no-no. Mellow mushroom for dinner, it's not good. And of course, I get paused again. We'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. It's not the app, it's not marking my location properly. This is so annoying. This is why I feel like I end my dash early sometimes, because the app is just not working. Like, why did it randomly kick me out? And then when I came back on, the app thinks that I'm somewhere else. So therefore, the offers that I'm getting would only make sense if I'm all the way down there, which I'm not anymore. So now I have to actively foreclose the app, open it back up, do all this stuff over and over again. It's a pain in the butt. Alright, so if it doesn't get working soon, I'm just gonna call it a night, because I can't keep driving and foreclosing the app every 2 seconds because it doesn't know where I'm at. So yeah, but at least we're getting some orders. They're just going too far, you know. Even with the peak pay, like $18, but it's going like 18 miles all the way up by Great Falls, which is way too far. But yeah, hopefully we get something soon. I'm kind of hoping we get something going towards my house, so I can just go ahead and call it a night. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, so hopefully we get something soon. Let's keep it going, guys. So just accepted what I think should be maybe our last order, if it actually takes it. It was showing a stock offer from Chen's Kitchen and Mr. Pepperoni. They're right next to each other. $16 payout. I think it's like 7 miles. Kind of going in the direction that I want to go to. And as you can see, I don't know if I accepted the order or not, because the app is not working. So did I accept it? I like to think that I did, but I really don't know, because okay, cool. So I did accept it. As you can see, it did take it. So we're gonna make our way towards Chen's Kitchen, and yeah, hopefully it all works out. I got a good feeling about these orders. Chen's Kitchen and Mr. Pepperoni are usually pretty quick. I haven't been to Mr. Pepperoni in forever. I didn't even know they still did DoorDash. I know a long time ago they were red card only, but things always change, right? So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, got both orders dropped off and we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. We finished around $220. The goal was only $158, so we definitely crushed it. I definitely think next week I have to start earlier because doing breakfast definitely makes a huge difference. We did 27 deliveries. But yeah, so put all the numbers here so you guys can check them out. Thank you so much for coming along on my dash. Y'all be safe, take care.